What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? As you can see here, we have Team. Okay, this is Atlassian Corporation. So Team. This is how the ticker symbol is spelled: TEAM. Before we get any further, small little disclaimer that this is not financial advice. Back on the chart, we're going to start from a 6 month chart just to see where we are from the 6 month time frame, 3 month, 1 month. So overall, like even on the 6 month and 3 month, we're in a pretty like solid bullish trend. So coming from some of right around those lows. Now, if the story kind of changes, if we go over here, so we had two breaks to the downside. Nevertheless, this thing is still bullish on the 3 month and 6 month. So now the weekly is just falling down today. Unfortunately, 30% down. So for the first sign of bullishness is going to be this break of the weekly. For right now, more like than I would just either going to have some upside move or just clear the lows and maybe then continue to be bullish. You feel me? So let me know what are your thoughts. This is not financial advice. Have a wonderful